Hey guys, Nathan here. Today I want to talk about what home upgrades will increase your home's value. When preparing your home for sale, you may be led to believe that the more upgrades you make, the higher the price you can list at. However, that's not always the case because not all home upgrades are created equal. So to answer this question, we have to take into consideration the changes that happened in the past few years as homes were put through a massive reevaluation. In response to the pandemic, there are now certain features in a home that have become much more attractive to buyers. In particular, there are 3 projects you'll want to take on. First one being add more usable square footage. According to a 2020 survey by HomeLight, the need for more space was among the top reasons why people move. Projects such as creating a home office, building an open floor plan, and finishing your basement can provide those additional spaces that buyers want nowadays. The second way to get the most value out of your home is to improve your home's curb appeal. And one of the best ways to improve your home's curb appeal is by focusing on your landscaping. You want to make sure your home looks more enticing by adding healthy plants, blooming flowers to your yard. To even make more of a statement, maybe slap a coat of fresh paint on your home's exterior. Not all changes have to be this big and grand. Sometimes small details like updating your mailbox or home number will catch the attention of buyers. Number 3 way to get the most value out of your home is to upgrade your outdoor space. Functional outdoor spaces such as a deck, fireplace, or even an outdoor kitchen are now much more valued due to the pandemic. So if your home has a nice living area, buyers can imagine themselves enjoying the fresh air as they indulge in outdoor activities. If you already have an outdoor oasis, just make sure to pressure wash it or make any necessary repairs for a low-cost way to improve the home's value.